こんにちは。Welcome to フリフリキッチン。Today, Sheena is going to make Tofu Hamburg. This dish is a delicious vegan twist on a classic Japanese comfort food. In Japan, Hamburg is a very popular dish inspired by Western hamburger steaks. However, unlike a burger in a bun, Japanese Hamburg is served as a standalone patty, topped with a flavorful sauce, and accompanied by sides like rice or vegetables. Loved by people of all ages, Hamburg is a staple in home-cooked meals, restaurants, and bento boxes. One of the most popular ways to enjoy Hamburg is with a rich and savory Japanese-style demi-glace sauce, which pairs perfectly with the tender patty. Today, Sheena is recreating the classic Japanese favorite with a plant-based twist using tofu, so everyone, including vegans, can enjoy it. Okay, let's get started. First, mince half an onion. Heat half a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a frying pan over low heat. Add the minced onions and stir fry until softened and lightly golden. Then set aside. Next, take 300 grams of firm tofu, wrap it in kitchen paper, squeeze out the excess water as much as possible with your hands. And place the tofu in a bowl. Add 30 grams of panko breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of cornflour or potato starch, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a pinch of nutmeg, a quarter of a teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and the fried onions. Use your hands, mash the tofu, and mix everything together until well combined. Divide the mixture into 2 portions and shape them into flattened oval patties. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Place the patties in the frying pan and cook until golden on the bottom. Flip the patties. Reduce the heat to low. Cover with a lid and cook for about 8 minutes or until cooked through. Once they are cooked through, transfer the patties to serving plates. In the same frying pan, add 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of brown sauce, 2 tablespoons of sake, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Stir and simmer the sauce for about 1 minute, allowing it to thicken slightly. Drizzle the sauce generously over the patties and sprinkle with a touch of black pepper. Deきた! Sheena, how does it taste? Okay, Sheena said the tofu patty is nice and tender with the just right balance of seasonings. The rich, savory Japanese-style demi-glace sauce is a perfect complement. Paired with rice or vegetables, it feels like pure comfort food. Whether you are vegan or not, this dish is sure to impress. Thank you for watching Free Free Kitchen. ありがとう! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye bye! またね